Iceland is an island still in the making, so young that it still boils and smokes and not that infrequently erupts in masses of ash and molten lava. It becomes warmer and it also creates a lot of interesting culinary opportunities. In today's program, we'll combine Nordic ingredients with the warmth from within. I'm going to start off here on the volcano, or on this gigantic stove as I see it, where I'm going to cook straight on the rocks. Welcome to New Scandinavian Cooking from Finnvud, the house on Iceland. I'm Andreas Viestad.